afternoon storms has a family saying goodbye to their home of nearly 50 years.
NBC Local 33's Jonah Gilmore spoke to that family who say after the storm comes a rainbow.
The Carter family lived in this home on Adams Avenue for nearly half a century.
We moved here May 1974.
Now, their home is destroyed with debris lying on the ground, windows hanging, and the tree through the roof.
It's very devastating to pull up in your yard and you asking where's my house and you only see a tree in front of it.
Thursday, rain and strong wind caused this massive tree to topple onto the home with Elwood Carter inside.
The cable went out, so that's nothing unusual for the cable to go out. And then I heard the crackling sound. And I said, what is that? And that's why it boomed. It knocked me to the floor.
He says in that moment he didn't know what happened, but his instinct told him to get out.
I went to the back door, it was jammed, the front door was crushed in. So next thing I thought, I said, well, the patio door. So that's what I exited out the patio.
After 46 years, this is all that's left of the Carter's home, and the family tells me this is only materialistic and they will move on.
God don't make mistakes. And so this is a blessing because we were looking at moving, looking at renovating, looking at maybe moving to something smaller. So God's going to give us a chance now to make that decision.
The Carter family looked on as a crew figured out how to remove the tree. The couple says they're sad to see it go, but home is where the heart is.
You just trust in God.
You just trust in God.
Trust in God.
Look what we have. We have each other. You know, you can buy a new house, you can buy a new car, but you can't buy a new life.
When I called, the first thing you said, are you all right?
Jonah Gilmore, NBC Local 33 News.